Hey. Welcome to the Trading Success Show. Today we're going to be dealing with issues about insider buying and insider selling and how I find details about these, directors or CFOs and all that buying a stock or selling a stock. Okay? So if this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell, and turn on the notification for more content. Okay, so it's very important. However, this is not a recommendation or advice to buy or sell. It's just for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. And consult with a financial professional before making any financial decisions, because as you know, investing involves risk. You may lose all your money. All right, so today we're going to be dealing with insider buying, and I'm going to give you the website that I use to track insider buying and insider selling. Okay, the first one, the first website you have to do is go into your email and email me if you have any concern, questions whatsoever. You can email me at tradingsuccessshow@gmail.com. And also you can follow me on Twitter at FRNKTSS. Okay? During the market hours, I put out technical analysis or chatting on stock I'm watching for potential to the upside or to the downside. Okay, so anyways, let's get to it. What is insider buying or insider selling? Okay, insider buying is a purchase of shares in a corporation by either an officer, a director, or an executive within the company. Alright, so insider buying is not the same as insider trading, which refers to corporate insiders making illegal stock purchases based on non-public information. Okay, so it is very important you know the difference. Alright, insider trading and insider buying. Okay, so now the first website is going to be Open Insider. Okay, it gives you information. You can search by the ticker, the insider, the shares, pretty much you can search based on the purchase, the sale, the ground, or whatever you're thinking about. You want to say, is he a CEO or a COO or CFO? The filing date and all that. You can search based on that. Okay, and it gives you details, detailed information. Okay, like the one we have here, we have CNNE. Okay, just hover your mouse around it, and you're gonna see how the chart looks like. What the chart looks like. Look at the volume, increased volume. All right, so this is number one. So now once you click it, it gives you the buying. Look at that. Okay, on the 24th we have CEO purchase price at $39.78, and I think about 10,000 shares was purchased at that amount. Okay, so yes, so this website is very useful. The next website is going to be Insider Monitor. Okay, you can monitor it real time, or you can just top 10 or past trades. Okay, and on this number one here is SAII, which is a software acquisition corp. Okay, so now we have insider name, okay, and we have the number of shares they purchased and at what price, okay, and the date it was purchased. Okay, so this website is very useful. Next one is going to be Guru Focus. Okay, Guru Focus has their insider trade. and they also have chatting up there, which is really which is really good, to track the SPY, the S&P 500 area index. So we have the USA region, we have Asia, Europe, Canada, UK. All right, but right now we're dealing with the US, right? So now the first one on here is JetBlue, JBLU. Okay, JBLU, they have all the information in here. Insider name, insider position, if they are selling, okay? And you can scan based on buying and based on selling. All right, so that is for this website, okay? And also we have on Finviz as well. You can search based on selling. If you see red, it knows it's selling. If you see green, it knows it's buying, right? So right here, you go on to the top right, filter, and you filter based on buying. Now you have the buying is green, right? Green is buying, red is selling. So it gives you the directors, okay, chairman or CEO or 10% owner, okay, executive committee chairman. So now let's look at February 26th. Okay, look at all the insider buying. Okay, insider buying, it also gives you the shares, the number of shares. Let's look at the 795K. This is a 10% owner, and they are buying SAII. That is the other one I showed you, as of recent. So you click it because Finviz allows you to see what's going on. Okay, so now this is a SPAC company. It's a software acquisition corp. So now what we're looking at is very simple. Okay, they are buying this at this price. So that means there will be some form of news coming up in the coming days. Look at this. Look at the number of people buying it. Okay, this is 10% owner. That's it. Look at the number of shares. Okay, so it is really good. It's very helpful. This Finviz as well. It gives you details. You can just hover around the ticker. Okay, and it gives you what it tells you. Gives you details about the chart, how the chart looks like. This one right now, this is flagging. Technically, it's flagging. Okay, if we can break this area, this 1425 area, we should be able to push higher. And also there's a trend. Okay, we are holding a trend. If you cannot see it properly, then we can go on stock chart and we type PCB. Okay, PCB, that is what I was talking about. Look at that. That is a trend that is holding. Look at this. So this is ascending triangle, rising wedge. So pretty much our RSI is decent. It's not in the top over bought area. Okay, we are at 64% and the volume is good. Okay, so we have support right around the 1327, which is our 20 EMA. So it does look good if we can hold this area. Nonetheless, also have the CEO, the directors, 10% owners actually buying the stock. Okay, they have like options as well. Options, they exercise options, and they also have within in February they also have all these transactions going on, director and all that. So it also gives you details about what the books looks like on this company. We have the net income of 14.55. In 2019 we also have 24.11. Okay, so also news coming in. Look at that. That's the last news that came in, insider buying. Okay, so this website is very useful. Okay, let's talk about dividend. Yes, they also give dividend. This is 40 cents per share, and the shares float is 12 million. Okay, and you only have about 1% of short interest right there, the float that is short. Okay, so it's very important. Look at the performance so far. It's all green. Okay, it's all green. So I do like this company, and I do like the fact that directors are buying. Okay, directors are buying, and CEO, actually president CEO, bought the other day. So that's how I look for insider buying. And also you can also look for insider selling as well. So you go over there, you look at the sales, you look at the company. Let's look at the first one, is AVXL. Look at it. Okay, I don't know why they are actually selling at this point. The director is actually selling. Sometimes it's not all about, say they are selling, directors selling, or 10% they're selling. Sometimes they have family issues that they need to use that money for, so they will have to sell in order to meet up personal expenses and stuff like that, or operating expenses and things like that. So so pretty much, yes, I do like this stock actually, though, even if the directors even if they're selling. Okay, I do like the stock. We just need to hold this area right here. We are actually in a box right here. Now we can go on a stock chart and look at that, really, so you can see the box, what I'm talking about. Okay, we have this box right here. Let's go to annotate. Goes right there. This is the box right here. So we either break up or we break down. But I do like this consolidation here around this support. We have a very fine support right here, because our EMA 20 EMA is around 1166. So I do like it. Even if I enter around the $13, my stop loss is going to be around the 1165 area. Okay, 1165 area. Even if we fail this, then we have our another support here around the we have support here around the $10 area, $10.50, and we also have another support here around the 50 EMA. So I have there's a pretty decent amount of support right here. Okay, I'm expecting this stock to break the $14 area, and then we should be able to to fill this this gap. So I do like this stock, even if the director is selling. They may be selling because of they need the money to do some other personal stuff or some other things. So yes, so I do like that. So that's how I look for my insider buying and my insider selling. So it's very important that you have all these tools. It helps you, it gives you the opportunity to to be more advanced in trading. And even if you're working like I do, I work and I also trade, and I also look at chart, because it's very it's fascinating for me. So yeah, so that's how I look at my information, get my information, and share my information. Okay, trading is all about your risk management and psychology. You need to understand that stock can go up and it can also pull back down. So you just need to be able to manage your risk. And that's pretty much it for me today. And hopefully we make money the coming week, and we'll keep you up to date in terms of my trading on my Twitter. You can follow me on my Twitter. Okay, if you have not subscribed yet, please do that, and don't forget to click the bell and turn on the notification for more content. And I will be bringing you how details on things, how I look for my stocks, good stocks or bad stocks. Bad stocks, I tend to get out of my bad stocks, but I also take profit on the way up. Okay, so that's pretty much it for AVXL. I do like the way the stock is actually around consolidating around this 20 EMA, EMA, XMA around this area. So I do like it. It's a biotech stock, but I like the fact that technicals are holding up at this point in time. We just need news to push this this higher. Okay, so let's see here. I think, yeah, there you are. Okay, the last news that came in was participation in upcoming Worldwide National Institute of Health panel in the case of rare diseases and stuff like that. So that's gonna be on Monday. So I think we also have a catalyst, something that's gonna push the stock higher. But I still don't know why director is selling. But like I said, it could be personal issues and stuff like that. That's why you read the filings. It gives you details on the reason why the director is selling. Okay, so they have this information coming up. So I keep an eye on it, and it's very important to to follow the company, on Monday at 11:35 a.m. Eastern time. So yeah, so that's pretty much it, and that's how I look for insider buying and insider selling. Okay, have a good day and enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.